What is noun clause again?
Noun.
Noun
Now
clause.
cloud the same noun.
Not the same nouns.
Not the same noun.
Yes. So if we say noun clause, this is a
uh,
combination of subject plus verb.
plus verb.
Right there. So noun
And
clause is a clause containing a subject and a verb that can replace a noun. Alright?
yes,
So
yes.
that is your noun clause. And your noun clause is connected with the main clause by that, who, what, which, where, when, and how. So that was your homework yesterday. To complete the sentences. Right?
Yes.
Okay, there. So can you write down your answers 2 to 8, please? Can you
Uh,
write down your answers here on the chat box? Can you write here your answers for number 2 to 8?
okay.
So that we can check your
Number one, gather. You pass your exam or not depend luckily on yourself.
Please write it. Please write it here in the chat box. Your answers. Right here.
In the chat box right here, okay. One là yeah, the
Weather. That's with E.
where the
Okay.
I can guess to
So the number in number 2 there are 2
uh,
words missing. So what is the other word?
other words.
Yes, if you can see here, here we have one word and another word. So in number 1, there are 2 words
Two
missing.
words missing. Two words.
Yes, not so it's not only weather. Okay?
Okay. Where
Okay, anyway, just write your
mm,
answers and we'll just check it. Okay?
how do
If you want to change your answer, write it down there.
hmm? How do
Okay, number 2.
number two là weather gather.
Number 2 is weather. Okay, number 3.
Number three why.
Why? Okay, number 4.
Number four the window was that's he says that's wonder why
Okay, just write it down. Number 5.
that's he
That.
said that's
Okay, number 6.
when that where
Okay, and number 7.
when when the uh when Why has why?
Why? And the last one is number 8.
The number is how?
How? Okay.
How do
So let's see
get the huh?
if, yeah, let's see if how many correct answers you got. Okay. So there. Number
Oh,
1, it is weather.
weather.
Yes.
Okay.
Whether you pass your exam or not depends largely on yourself. So you
Yes.
change it. So anyway, that's okay. Number 2, I
Weather.
can't guess whether she'll agree or not. Okay, very good.
One.
Number 3, why his wife died is still a secret, correct? Number 4, the boy wonders why ice floats on water.
Water.
Okay. And number 5, he said that he had made a mistake. Okay, correct. Where I went last night does not concern you. Okay. The teacher asked me why I had been absent from class the day before. Okay. And I wonder how I can repair this machine. All right, very good. So those are you got the correct answers. So, and you also know well when to use whether, why, that, where. Okay, that's good. Okay? And
Yes.
next, so you are going to rewrite the sentence and begin with the words
I want
given.
to know. Okay.
So you are going to rewrite
Mm.
the sentence.
Right. Something like that. What's
So you are going, so this is the sentence, okay?
yes.
And then you are going to rewrite this sentence and you have to begin with this one. Okay, so you are going to rewrite meaning. So the sentence that you are going to write with this phrase is same with the question, how old are you?
Yes. Yes.
So I want to know. So what do you think is missing word here?
How old are you?
Yeah, so how will you rewrite how old are you?
How old are you?
So how will you rewrite it? I want to know.
I want to know how old are you?
I want to know how old are you? Okay.
Yes.
Number 2. Let's check later. Number 2.
Hmm. I want to know what you did yesterday.
What you did
Yesterday.
yesterday. Okay. Number 3.
Hmm.
So let's write your answer. What you
Did
did
what you did
yesterday.
yesterday. Yes. Okay.
Number 3.
Number three là I want to know how you how you came here.
How you came
Came.
here. Okay. Number 4.
Uh, I want to know where you where you are going.
Where are you going?
Where you are going.
Where you are going.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because là đông question.
All right. And number 5.
Yes. I want to know what you want.
I want to know what you want. Okay.
What
And the
you
last one. And what is the last one?
last
Can you help me?
can you help me là how can you help me?
No, it's I want to know.
I want to know how can help me.
How can you
You how can
help me?
um,
Okay, so let's see if your answers are
oh,
correct. Okay?
how 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 you can help me?
How
Okay.
can you or how can I'm sorry? What is your
Huh?
final answer?
How you can help me?
Okay, how you
Okay.
can help me.
Yes.
Okay, so let's see if your answers are correct. Okay, so that
How
is number 1. I want to know
how
how
you
old
can
you are.
how old you are?
Yes, so it's not how.
Don't question now. Okay,
Okay, so I want
I
to know
understand.
how old you are. Okay, number 2
How you
is you
are.
answered. I want to know what you did yesterday. Okay, that is
Yes,
correct. Number 3, I want to know how you came here.
yes.
Okay, very good. Where are you going to spend your
Okay,
holiday next summer? So you said, I want to know where you are going. So you just said where you are going, but that's okay. And you can also put the other sentence to spend your holiday next summer. Okay?
yes,
So with
yes.
this one, since the question in number 4 is where are you going to spend your holiday next summer? So this is asking specifically about next summer. So you have to include it if you will
Yes,
rewrite it. Okay?
yes,
And number 5, what do you want? I want to know what you want. Okay? And lastly, I want to know whether you can help me. Why? Because you use the word can.
can.
Okay?
Okay,
So, can means that if he or she is able to help you. So that's why the answer is whether. Okay?
yes, yes,
All right. So, but if it's how can you help me? So that is the answer. I want to know how you can help me. Okay? But
yes,
if the question is can you help me? So it is whether. All
yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. So very good. So that wrap up our topic about noun clause. So remember again, your noun clause is your subject. There's a subject of a sentence. Do you remember this one? Object of a sentence and complement an object of a preposition. Okay? So that
Yes.
is all about your noun clause. Do you have any question about noun clause?